select the water type that you want, ambient water, press the button to dispense the ambient water. If let's say you need sparkling water, just turn the knob and press the button to dispense the sparkling water. Same for cold water, just turn the knob to select the cold water and dispense the water by pushing the button. So same as hot and the extra hot water. If you see there's no color on this bar, just press a button to see the two arrows on top here to indicate where is the extra hot water condition. It shows that the extra hot water is still heating up.